Hello students, I am Ankur Khandelwal, your maths teacher. Now we are going to start sets. Before starting sets, I just want to give some information about set. Set is very fundamental part of present day mathematics. It is used in everywhere, in almost every branch of mathematics. It is also used to define the concept of relations and functions. The study of geometry, sequences and probability requires the knowledge of set. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the definitions of set, also some operations on sets. Now sets and their representation. In our everyday life, we often come across collection of things of a particular kind of one or another. You can say a collection of cards, collection of birds, a collection of, you can say a cricket team is there. So everywhere we have a collection of something or some other thing. In mathematics also we have a collection of numbers, like we have natural number, prime number, whole number, everywhere. Here I have taken few collections. Few collections you can say. First is the collection of odd natural number less than 10, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Second is the river of India. Third we can say vowels in the English alphabet. Fourth, solution of equation. The equation is given. And the fifth is various kinds of triangle. By taking these examples, we just want to understand what do we mean by sets. Just observe in all the 5 examples. One more example I am writing here, that cities in India. Now understanding all the examples, these are the collections, well-defined collections. Now what do we mean by well-defined? Well-defined means I can easily identify a particular object belonging to the set, belonging to the collection or not belonging to the collection. Let's take an example, the cities of India. I can easily say that Sydney is not in the collection of city of India, but we can definitely say that Hyderabad lies in the collection of cities of India. So the definition of set is a well-defined collection of objects. Now if I give you an example, the collection of top 10 mathematicians of India, what can be your answer? Second example, the collection of 10 best cricket players of India, what is your answer? You can say the collection of 10 best novels, what is your answer? In all these answers, just think about answers of best will depend on the perception of individuals. My perception can be different, your perception can be different. We can say who is your favorite, who is best cricket players? I can say MS Dhoni is the best cricket player. You can say Sir Virat Kohli is the best cricket player. So it depends on the perception. So whenever a word best is there, famous, means no one can define what do you mean by best. कोई पैरामीटर नहीं है चेक करने का कि this is the best and this is the worst. So this will not be a set. These 3 examples will not be of sets. Now following notation we should understand. Capital N denotes the set of all natural numbers. Capital Z denotes the set of integers. Q for rational number. R for real number. Z plus for positive real integers. Q plus positive rational number. R plus the set of positive real numbers. Now the next thing is representation of sets. We have 2 types to represent a set. One is roster form, one is set builder form. In roster form, we generally write the element by separating the elements by comma. Suppose I want to write any set of even natural number less than 8. Even natural number less than 8 will be what? 2, 4, 6. So in roster form, we separate the element by comma sign. First thing. Second thing, in roster form, we do not repeat the element. Suppose I want to write the alphabets of the letter of the word spoon. So I will be writing S, C, H, O, N. O is 2 times, but I will be writing it only once. And the third thing is that order is not important. Whether I am writing 2, 4, 6 or I am writing 6, 4, 2 or I am writing 462, all are same. So in booster form, we represent the set by separating the element by the comma sign. Second, we do not repeat the elements generally, and third, order is not important. Now to describe set builder form, first understand the structure of set builder form. In set builder form, obviously we write the elements in the braces. The first thing we write is element, then column sign. This is what column sign, two dots, and third is the property that it is possessing. As if I want to write this set in set builder form, then I will be writing x. I can also write any alphabet. The property x is a natural number, even natural number less than 8. Suppose I want to write this set in set builder form, I can write x. X is letter of the word school. X is the letter of the word school. So in booster form, we separate the element by comma sign, and in set builder form, we write an alphabet, column sign, and then define. Now student, the first question of first exercise of NCERT, exercise 1.1. This question is based on the concepts of sets. As I have told, set is a well-defined collection of objects. Now you have to check which collection is well-defined and which collection is not well-defined. At the end of the questions, I will be giving you some letters which will help you to identify which collection will belong to a set and which will not belong to a set. Now let's start with the first question, which are sets. Now the first is the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So we can easily say, sir, we have 12 months in a year, and in 12 months में से we can easily say, sir, January starts with J, January का February, March, April, May, then July, June, July. These are the months which starts with the letter J. So we can easily identify. This is the set. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Remember the word most talented. So you can not, there is no parameter to define that he is more talented and he is less talented. It depends on the perception, based on person to person. So we cannot say this is a set because of the word most talented. Third, a team of 10 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again the word best. No parameter to check who is best, who is not best. So this is not a set. Next is a collection of all boys in your class. Yes, you in your class also you will be having some boys. So you can easily tell, so this boy belongs to my class and he is not belonging to my class. So you can say it is a set. The collection of all natural number less than 100. Yes, it is a set, because if you tell me a number of 1000, I can say it is not belonging to a set. Give me a number 57, I can easily say they are belonging to us. The collection of all novels written by Munshi Premchand. Yes, obviously Munshi Premchand ने जो भी novels लिखी है, we can easily say this novel is written by him and this is not written by him. So this is a set. Now next, the collection of even integers. Yes, we can easily identify the integer is even or not. The collection of 10 most dangerous. Then again, most dangerous animal. Some animal can be dangerous for me. I may be having fear because of some animal. You may be having fear of some other animals. So it also depends on person to person, which is more dangerous, which is less dangerous. कोई parameter नहीं है check करने का भी. So this is not a set. A collection of questions in a chapter. Obviously, अगर हमारे पास कोई भी textbook है, so we can easily identify this question belongs to this chapter, and this will not belongs to this chapter. Yes, this is a set. So as I told, remember I have underlined some words: most talented, best, dangerous, worst. There are no parameter to decide this. So I think the first question based on the definition of set is clear. Now before starting the second question, we'll first understand the symbol epsilon. The symbol is what? The symbol means belongs to. belongs to. This means belongs to, and it is a Greek symbol. It is read as epsilon also. Epsilon belongs to, as your wish. One more additions I have written here. When we write a set, we generally write a set by capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And the elements of set are presented by small letters. You can see. Okay, let's start this question. Here we have a set A. This has this many elements. Now we need to write which element, these elements are belonging to a set or not belonging to a set. Simple सी बात है, आप देख ले इसमें elements है या नहीं है. So 5 is belonging here. Yes, 5 is here. You can say belongs to. 8 is not here. So we'll say not belongs to. 0 is not here. Not belongs to. 4 is here. Belonging to a set. 2 is here. Belonging to a set. 10 is not here. Does not belongs to a set.